guys, welcome. Say, I got a package in the mail I've been waiting for. I'm sure you guys can see through the tape. It is from the Homestead company. So, let's see what we get. I did not get the bar and the chain. You have to order that separate. But I did get a 28-inch bar and then a full skip chain to go with it. Yeah, they give you a hat. That's pretty nice. Nice of you Chinese folk. Looks like a full wrap handle. Nice. Unboxing it with you. And the power head. A little difficult one-handed. Okay. Yeah, anybody that doesn't know about Homestead, they are blue. It's the G444. Anybody that doesn't know, this is supposed to be absolutely identical to the steel 440, MS440 or 044. Supposedly, parts are all interchangeable. And everything, quality control passed. Homestead. Yeah, it looks very much like a steel so far. What else we got? Oh, they give you a tiny little gas can. Well, that's better than nothing, I guess. That's how tiny it is, like in comparison to the saw. Maybe a quart. Yeah. Looks like it's got something on the side here, so you can just add your oil and then add your gas, and it looks like maybe you can just mix her up. Well, that might be something to pack in the truck. What else we got? A tool kit. I would assume a scrunch. Hopefully some bolts for that full wrap handle. Now let's just dump it out, guys. Okay. Yes, we have a scrunch. Looks like a chain guide and your log dogs. It's only 2 bolts holding that handle on. Okay. Looks like your saw tool for such an apparatus. I'm sure there's, oh yeah, there's other bolts here too. So you got a tool to take all your bolts out. And then a carb adjustment screwdriver, which don't really need to expect much out of those. They're pretty simple. What else we got? And then the old instruction. It's even in English. Wow. I expected it was going to be all Chinese. So anyway, guys, you order a Homestead 444. That's what you're going to get in the mail. I'll make another video. Like I said, I do not have my bar yet. So once I install the 28-inch bar, then I'll chain it up and show you guys that too. And then we'll go out and we'll do a run test on it. See you guys later.